So in plain terms, a wrongful death claim is a claim that's made after someone's negligence took the life of somebody else. We handle wrongful death claims from a variety of different reasons. Most often it's 18-wheelers, but sometimes it's chemical exposure, it can be catastrophic workplace injury, or it can be a defective product that unfortunately took somebody's life. A court-appointed representative from somebody who has passed away due to somebody's negligence is who can bring a wrongful death claim in Kentucky. It's somebody who is either a loved one, a spouse, an adult child, or even a close family friend. These claims are so hard on these people because it's the last thing that they ever expected to happen. When something bad happens and a loved one of theirs has passed away, it's the last thing that they want to deal with. They don't want to have to talk to the insurance companies, they don't want to have to deal with the funeral homes, and they don't want to have to deal with legal terms that they don't understand. After losing a loved one, the most important thing you can do is reach out to a lawyer early, because if the claim involves negligence, oftentimes if it's an 18-wheeler or if it's a product defect, there are facts and there is evidence that has to be obtained quickly, otherwise it can disappear. One thing that's super important with folks who have lost a loved one due to a negligence is to be very careful about what you say on social media. To be very careful about who you speak to, either at the at-fault company or the employer where the injury took place, because all of those things can be used against you later, and we want to protect you from that. If you're considering pursuing a wrongful death claim, there are certain things that can help make the family whole again, and that is recovering the medical bills from the end-of-life treatment. It's the funeral expenses. It's the pain and suffering that the decedent had. Also, one of the most important things that you can recover is the loss of companionship from a spouse and the loss of parental guidance. One of my biggest pieces of advice I can give to families, and this is before anything bad can happen, is to have an estate plan in place. Because when something bad happens, you want to be prepared, especially in a wrongful death situation. At Dixie Law Group, we have an entire dedicated estate planning and probate division. Because having an entire estate planning and probate division, it allows me to solely focus on the wrongful death claim. Because recovering money isn't going to bring somebody back, that's not possible. But what is possible is holding the at-fault party responsible and bringing some solace to the family and letting them move forward. I hope to God that this never happens to you or your family, because it's awful. But if it does, give us a call at Dixie Law Group.